everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, and if you are subscribed, welcome back. So today I am super excited, if you can't tell, about this new kit I got from Dreamer Designs. So a week or so ago I had said I was going to work on a Diamond Art Club painting for October, but then I saw this release with Dreamer Designs, and this is going to be my October project because it is so cool. Yeah, I'm giddy, like a freaking kid on Christmas, except this is like Halloween. Okay, so I am participating in Drills and Chills, which is hosted by Diamonds and Washies and Emeralds and Fairy Lights. Oh my gosh, this thing is tight. Whew, that was a workout. I love Dreamer Designs. I feel like I'm a lone wolf on that one. Not many people do. You know, everyone thinks Diamond Art Club for like the high-end paintings, but Dreamer Designs is my favorite, and more specifically because they have an artist by the name of Curtis Rykovich, which I adore. Every single one of his diamond paintings I want to own. I'm dying to get my hands on them. Sorry for the construction noise. All right. Should we see what's in the kit? They're doing construction across the street. Okay. Hang on. There's more. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? Is this like one of those little cards you can hold? Card holders or something? Nope, it's a drill spacer. I want one of those card holders. Okay, we got baggies. We got tons of tips, actually. I'm kind of impressed there. So I even have a whatchamacallit, straightener. Thank you, words. And then we got a brush. I like that Dreamer Designs gives you a brush. Diamond Art Club does not, but the brush is so nice. I can get like drills stuck out of the corners of my trays. It's wonderful. Tweezers, 2 placers, 2 squishies, 2 purple waxes, and a signature glittery purple tray. I love how they tie these in ribbon. I'm a sucker for packaging. I say that every time too, just to make sure y'all know. Okay, are you ready for this? Oh my gosh. It is so cute. And luckily I had enough points for free shipping, so I only had to buy 1 kit and I could get free shipping. So here we go. I can't wait to see how it looks. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm in love. I knew it the second I saw it on their website. I was like, oh my gosh, I am doing that for Halloween. This isn't a typical, whatchamacallit, typical Halloween colors, because it's all purple and pink, but that's what's so cool about it. Okay, it is the traditional 60 by 80 centimeters that you get from Dreamer Designs. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now, I'm not a cat person, but I'm going to let that go because the rest of this was just, oh. And look, we have so much. We do have some confetti, but it's mostly around here, but we have a lot of color blocking, so this might go sort of quick. I say sort of because there's 61 colors. Oh my god. But it also has 5 ABs in it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Are some of the ABs on her nails? No, I don't think they are. No, it's just 310. Okay. Would have been cool if they were, but oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, here, let's take a look. It's called Viola. Look at that. Can you blame me? Look at that. Oh, beautiful. I am such a sucker. And it's a round kit. I like rounds. I know you can see the spaces if you kind of foobar them, but I just like rounds. I paint faster with them. I don't get frustrated. Holy crap, 61 colors. Whew. But look at this. Isn't this so cool? Oh my gosh. All right, let's check out this. Oh my gosh, all these drills. Okay, but look at the color palette of the drills. Purple, green, blue, black. Oh, I'm in love. Oh. Okay. Oh, we got both of our ABs right here. So we got a lilac AB. My last kit had that from them. this like greenish tone. Okay. Now, got some grays, pink. Only 2 bags of 310. So refreshing. A lot of the kits I'm working on right now are like 310 heavy. Oh my gosh, look at all the purple and like blue violets. It's similar color palette actually to the other one I was going to do from Diamond Art Club for Halloween. So I'm not deviating. Bunch of grays. Ooh, look at that blue. That's got to be in the background. And that lavender. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are all so pretty. Oh my goodness gracious, I'm in trouble. Yeah, I'm sorry for those who loved the Diamond Art Club one I was going to do, because I saw this and instantly was like, oh my gosh, I'm ordering it. And that is my October kit. I just knew it. I was instantly in love. Ooh. Okay, the other AB is a white one right here. Their ABs, I will say, are not as sparkly as Diamond Art Club. But I love this artist. Holy crapola. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at how many ABs. That is one thing I will say about Dreamer Designs, is they go all out. Like, their ABs may not be as sparkly, but they sure as heck put way more ABs in their kits than Diamond Art Club. And look at this. So here's the 4th AB, but here's the 5th one. I have 4 bags of it. Oh my gosh, that thing's gonna be everywhere. I can't wait. I bet you it's gonna be in her hair, because the last one I did, they had tons of ABs in the hair. But that just goes to, like, that's the difference, okay? So you get better quality drills, I guess, sort of, with Diamond Art Club, but not as many ABs, whereas Dreamer Designs is like, let's go, here's your sparkle. So it's like a trade-off. Plus, this is by far my favorite artist. Oh, I could just paint this artist and nothing else. Like I said, I want to own all his paintings, but look at that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I am, if you can't tell, incredibly excited to start this kit. I actually just ordered a bunch of trays from LEP. She and I collaborate on my boxes that I do every month. However, I wanted to fill a storage like stand with trays. Of course, I only have, what is it, like 40 trays? So some of these will have to go out of the trays. But it's going to be like a cute tray and tray set. And what's funny is, like, my trays are all these colors too: purple, teal, and pink. So I was like, that's how funny, it'll like match. So I think those trays actually come today, and I'll like be kitting up in those trays. And then I'll put some stragglers in one of my other storage containers, whatever like is really small and not going to be pulled out a ton. But I really enjoy just pulling trays out and working from the trays. I've noticed it's so much faster for me. But yeah, I am super excited. Let me know if you want to see this one kitted up on camera. I might just do that because that would be kind of fun. And yeah, this is going to be my October project. And I'm not even close to finishing my Luna Moth one yet. So if I don't finish or get close, I'll just be unkitting that, or kit that one down and put it away and start this one. I am totally fine with having whips. Like, if I'm losing interest in something or I'm super excited to start a different one, it's okay. I'll go back to the other one later. So yeah, super excited. Let me know if you snagged this. This just released from Dreamer Design, so oh my gosh, it's so cute. And yeah, I can't wait to see how this one turns out. But love to know if you guys snagged this one, or if any of you are doing any Curtis Rajkovic for Drills and Chills. I'd love to hear about that. And yeah, until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.